Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 1st, 2021. I want to talk to you all today about XPENG and how it may be actually a better stock to buy than NIO. I know a lot of people are, NIO fanatics out here, but when you look at the price chart, you kind of could tell that XPENG is showing a little bit more strength than NIO is. So before I talk about that, before I talk about my last video that I did for XPENG, make sure you keep it locked in here. Hit me some likes. Subscribe to the channel, tap that bell notification as well, because you don't want to miss out on my price prediction. This is what I do. I don't focus on anything else outside of price. I don't care about anything else outside of what people are trying to do with the money. Price is the only thing that matters. Take everything else away and you can still predict where prices are going to go based on what people are trying to do with their own money. Whether they have billions of dollars at their disposal or they have a couple of dollars at their disposal, whenever they come into the market and put on a position, you can still see what their thoughts are. So let's not pay attention, right? So make sure you guys do all that before you head out. But let me get started in the video. Okay. Let me first of all talk about my last price prediction, and then I'll show you from the price chart why majority of the market thinks more bullishness in XPENG than they are in NIO. All right. Now, it didn't go right. Okay. I can see that. And the price has been going against my price prediction in XPENG since November the 11th. That was the last time I did a video for XPENG, and I was playing the weakness. Now, I was telling you that I was going to play the weakness until price broke my restriction area, right? Which is right here. And I am a very staunch advocate that price does not lie. So once things happen, we recognize and understand that we need to take it as fact. That's it. So I can see that the market obviously is not going to go down right now. So this is how you're able to minimize those losses. You can say, well, I was looking for the price in XPENG to go down. Obviously, the market is expecting itself to go up. So let me go ahead and get out the play. This is one of those situations because it didn't go right for us in that price prediction. The market continually went up in price instead. That's cool. You're not going to win every price prediction, right? You're not going to bring every soldier back from war. We lost a couple of moments right here. Yeah, he got us. The trap beat us on this particular price prediction. I'll give him that. Now, let me get rid of this because on the close of yesterday, if we were to get out on the close of yesterday, it's around 24%. Yeah, it doesn't look good, but we're going to make sure that we are back in position to capitalize on the next anticipated price move. So now, let me talk about this real quick. Now, let me get into why I'm still looking for the price in XPENG to go up and why I think that is a stronger indication that the buyers are here in XPENG's market than they are in NIO. All right, first things first. We already know that these two horizontal lines on my price chart is not indicative of what price is doing. So I don't need to continue to have it on my chart. Let's erase the confusion. Let's not be about the confusion, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the actual bullishness of the market in XPENG. This is how strong this market is right there. So look at that comparative to NIO's chart. All right, so let me show you NIO's chart real quick. All right, so let me have XPENG at the top. XPENG is the top chart. This chart down here is going to be NIO. So let me go ahead and pull up NIO. And generally, you guys can see how NIO is just trading sideways. You don't see a pretty good ascending line on the chart in NIO. Right? You guys can see right here on October the 7th to here that the price in NIO, yeah, we're in a slight uptrend, but it's not as strong as XPENG. XPENG is massively stronger than NIO. Just based off this alone lets us understand that the market in NIO is a little bit weaker. That's all we need to see. It tells us how strong one market is compared to the next. So this is why NIO is weaker, or there's not that many buyers occurring into the market in NIO than what we're seeing in XPENG. The strength is definitely in XPENG's market versus NIO. That is why XPENG seemingly looks to be a better buy than NIO. See, I didn't go into no fundamental analysis. I didn't talk about no future news catalysts. I didn't talk about their earning releases, none of that. People already tell us what to expect, and the majority of the market in XPENG are buyers than they are in NIO. It's just that simple. All right. So now let me go ahead and take this away. Okay, let me go ahead and pull this back. Okay. Let me switch this back over to XPENG now. So now let me talk about where I'm looking for the market to go. Okay, because obviously price is not bearish. Price instead is going up. So we already have an idea as to where we need to track the price, right? We already know as long as XPENG continues to show this upward movement, as long as we trade above this ascending line, we don't have nothing to worry about. Price is going to go up. Okay. Now let me start off from the monthly time frame in XPENG real quick. Now look at this. This tells me that the massiveness of buyers are definitely in control in XPENG. What happened last month? So yeah, I'm still looking for the price to go up. Now, can we see price hit $62.50? Yeah, we can. Based on the monthly price chart throughout the month of December, we can definitely see price hit 60 to 62.50. This is the 3-day. This last 3-day price bar right here shows me with all this high volume that, yeah, there was selling going on into the market in XPENG. Now, it was because of this restriction area right here. This is where the sellers were at, right? There's around $55.50. But for us to continue to see strength into the market in XPENG right now, tells me that they bought up whoever sold the market in XPENG. Whoever did, they bought it up because they're looking for the market to go up. They're looking for it to go higher. So it's quite simple to see what the majority of the market is thinking. What is the consensus? Yeah, they're trying to pursue higher prices. So rather than us see restriction come into market in XPENG around $55.50, let's bring it up a little bit closer. Maybe around $58.50 to $60, right? So the first area that I'm eyeing the buyers trying to take the price is 60. That's the first location. Now, let's not get it twisted, okay? Because already pre-market, the current price in XPENG is $57.27. So yeah, can we see price come down? We sure can. But my main focus is seeing where price trade in this circle, in this square that I've just created. We just need to pay attention. But the current environment is, yeah, the market is trying to go up. So we're going to continue to follow what the market is showing us. Okay. And we're going to continue to play the strength into the market in XPENG until we see market break our ascending line or $50, either one. If we break the ascending line, then we know the market's going to try to test 50. And if we break 50 to the downside, then we're not going to go up in price. We already know we need to cut the play. Okay. So now I got $60 at the first area for us to try to see the market go. In XPENG, that would give us 9.5% from where the market closed yesterday. If the market in XPENG is to open where pre-market is now, it would be about 4%. Okay. Next area I'm looking at is around 62.50, which is around 14% movement to the upside. So are we in an upward trend in XPENG? Yeah, we are. The market is already dictating where the majority of the market is trying to go, and currently it's trying to go up. So we're going to follow them, follow the market. We don't try to alter and come up with some new game plan, some new strategy, because it's already dictated on the chart. We just need to get in position and follow along with them. So now this is what I'm seeing in the market in XPENG. Let me know. What do you all think? Is price going to go up in XPENG? Based off the price chart, do you think XPENG is stronger than NIO? Just let me know your thoughts. Tell me your price prediction in XPENG as well. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.